Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to check car or bike insurance online in UK. First, go ahead in your browser and search for this check your vehicle navigation MIB. You will see an option here. Click on this link. Once it loads, click on this personal check and click continue. Here you have to accept their terms. Just click this box and agree, continue. Here you see it's only for UK, and here just type in your VIN, and after typing make sure it's the correct one, and then click here check your vehicle. It will provide all the information you need regarding the insurance online, and it's very simple and easy. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under this video if this worked for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.